Hey everyone, John Chow here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make crispy pork belly. Okay, this is our main ingredients. Skin on pork belly. You can get this at most Asian grocery store like 99 Ranch. It must have the skin on. If you get it with the skin off, no one can help you. So, must have skin on. Okay, bring about an inch of water in a pan to a boil, and then put the pork belly in, meat side down, for 1 minute. After 1 minute, flip it around and cook the skin side for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, put it in cold water to stop the cooking process. For the mix, you're gonna use 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of white spice powder, 2 teaspoons of Shaoxing cooking wine. Take our meat, it's nice and cool. What we're going to do now is we're going to use our little bladed tenderizer, and we're going to start poking holes into the skin. And this is the reason why we boil the meat. The boiling process loosens the skin, so you can easily poke holes into it. If you don't boil it, it makes it a lot harder. So this is a lot easier now. So basically just start poking holes in it. The more holes, the better. So, do about, I guess, a few thousand. I just all over, turn it around, Don't go too deep, you just need to penetrate the skin, and that's basically it. Okay, flip it around, cut into the meat into thirds, about 1/2 inch into it. And then we're going to do the same thing on the lengthwise. And that's what this allows us to do when we put our mix into it. We'll be able to get into all the crevices and add a lot of flavor. Okay, so just basically take your mix and just rub it all over, and making sure you get in between the crevices like that. Yeah, you want the whole thing covered. And also make sure you get the sides too. Okay. Now we're going to flip this over onto a cooling rack. Use a paper towel to remove any of the mix that got onto the skin. We don't want any of the spice mix on the skin. We want the skin nice and dry. The secret to getting crispy pork belly is to get the skin as dry as possible. Now take some white vinegar and just apply some to the skin. You just want to coat the skin with white vinegar. And what this will do is this will change the pH balance of the skin to dry it up. I'll take the kosher salt and apply liberally to the skin. The salt will help to lift the moisture out of the skin so we can get that nice, beautiful crackling. Okay, and basically put it in the refrigerator for 24 to 48 hours. Okay, it's been 36 hours. As you can see, skin's all dry now. You may notice that there's some little hairs all over the skin. You can use a tweezer to pull them out, or it will burn up during the boiling process, so it doesn't really matter. It's up to you. Set the oven to bake for 3 hours. We're not going to actually cook it for 3 hours. The actual time will depend on how thick the pork belly is. And temperature, set it to 250 degrees. Oven is now preheated. Open it up. Put it in the lowest rack. Alrighty. We will check this in 2 hours and see what the internal temperature is. It's been about 2 hours, so we're going to open it up and check the temperature. We are looking for 165 degrees. Okay, right now we're at 158, so yeah, maybe another 5 minutes and then we'll check it again. $168, we're good. Just a little over 2 hours. We're gonna set our oven to boil. And I'll just set it for 30 minutes. It won't take 30 minutes, but we just set up 30 minutes, 150 degree, preheat that. What we're gonna do now is I'm gonna wrap the pork belly so only the skin gets exposed. So during the boiling process, I don't want to burn the sides. Begin. All right, so we're gonna keep an eye on this. In about 10 minutes, you can see this start popping. It won't take the full, it may or may not take the full 30 minutes. We don't know. The idea is you need to keep an eye on it to make sure it doesn't get burnt. 15 minutes in, and you can see the skin is starting to pop. Yeah, just keep an eye on it and make sure to know where it gets burnt. Oh, look at that. 20 minutes into it. It's looking really good. Okay, what I'm doing now is I'm going to put some foil on this area because it's getting burnt. So that will protect it from cooking even more, and that will allow me to cook this center. I'm going to foil this side too. Foil on here. Oh, look at that. Look at it. Yum, yum. Okay, so what we gotta do now is just basically let this rest for at least 15 minutes up to an hour. Just let it cool down, just let it rest. It's really hot inside. And if you cut into it now, all the juice is just gonna come gushing out. Okay, it's fully rested. Let's cut this thing. Oh, listen to that sound. Oh, look at that. Wait. Yeah, awesome. Oh my God. That's so good. Bon appetit.